Let's also go across to Saurabh Shukla, Republic partner and editor-in-chief, newsmobile.in, also joining us. Saurabh, we are witnessing what's happening. It's been happening for quite some time. And the blatantness with which everything is happening, the lack of due process. For example, in this case, Republic TV has been apprised. There's actually no privilege committee which decides such motions and such actions, which are rare against private individuals to begin with. So how is it that the speaker himself is taking, such matters into his own hands? That's a big question.
I'm surprised. I've covered Parliament for a long time. I know how parliamentary proceedings work. I can tell you this is really bizarre and also does not have a precedent. I'm sure this will be struck down by any court of law because obviously you have a proper procedure which is followed. If there is a breach of privilege that is there, the privilege motion has to be, obviously, there is a set procedure. You can't deviate. It cannot be the law of jungle that anybody decides that, okay, I want to summon or I want to harass this individual and I want to get away. Clearly, it's a pressure tactic, as I've been saying earlier as well. But it only tells, because, today, in the era of social media, everything is being watched in the people's court. This is what is there and people are watching. In a democracy, you cannot take these kind of tactics. It will only make sure that the Maharashtra government becomes unpopular because at the end of the day, people who have voted you also, they also realize that the real focus has to be governance issue. The real focus has to be law and order. The real focus has to be, fighting COVID-19, not trying to harass journalists who are doing their job.
In fact, Saurabh, since you bring that up, I just wanted to mention that, Maharashtra is one of those states that hasn't really been able to control the spread of COVID-19. Western Maharashtra is being battered by floods.
It is the worst.
Over 2,000 lives have been lost.
Yeah.
And this seems to be the priority of the government?
That's what, the whole idea is. I can tell you, this is really petty politicking at its worst. This is trying to say that, okay, we want to, this channel is going against us, so we'll teach them a lesson. So that's what it is coming out. And I'm sure that there are well-meaning people, I hope better sense prevails because, there is a pattern of sorts which seems to be emerging. And as I said, that, India is a democracy where the judiciary has been safeguarding India's constitution and both when it comes to democratic traditions, and I hope the Honorable Supreme Court and other even High Court will take cognizance of this and will set this aside, because in the past they've done it, because whenever they felt
well, the legal remedies aside, Saurabh, you mentioned how in today's world with social media,
yes,
the public at large gets to know what you're doing. You cannot hide it really, and you cannot control discourse and discussion. So you can imagine how brazen it is that what the Maharashtra government or the police is trying to do, and how deep the mindset that you can get away with anything, emergency-like actions against media or journalists must be in today's time, in 2020.
I can tell you very clearly, this is Sarkar 2020. This is no longer 1975, where emergency could be enforced. Newspapers were told to shut, not to publish anything. This is not going to happen. This is an era of digital media. It's an era of vibrant, independent media outlet like yours and ours. I can tell you very clearly that it's there in people's court. People are watching. See the kind of reaction which has been there on various social media platforms, the kind of support you're getting. And I again say it's not about...
No, but that's why I asked this question. No, Saurabh, that despite the fact that everybody knows the reality of what's happening, of how due process is not being followed, Supreme Court notices even are not being adhered to or responded to, yet if the government in Maharashtra is doing this, the Congress, NCP, Shiv Sena government in Maharashtra is doing this, then you can imagine their mindset. The question is of mindset also, that we can do whatever we want. Saurabh, thanks a lot for joining us. For the meantime, I appreciate you joining us and giving us your comments.